Okay, so we've seen the peeing statue. We're off to it in a minute, but while we've gone there, because I watch quite a bit of YouTube before I travel somewhere, this place here, what you see with a green man, there's a green man at this side and there's one at the other side, and a red man obviously telling when you can walk. It is the smallest street in the world. So now it's on red at this end, which means nobody can walk down. You can only walk up. It is the smallest street in the world, which has a pedestrian crossing, so that because it's not wide enough for two people. You're coming up on a green man. Ah. It's good, isn't it, how it does it?